U Menteri Rangba kajela u Conrad ke Sangma ula shimya ka jingmih khubor ha ka wena kilan pathai khubor ka ba ong ba ka PA Sangma Stadium kadai ka balapun bana bom shngain da ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA kadai ka ba bakla shibun bat ka ba batai bakla ka jingshisha halor ka ka kam kalong ka basuk pha ka DDMA ka tho shaka kul India bat ong bas ngau pha ay ka jaka ban penyari ka West Stand ka jaka shong shaka phang sep ngi namar ka ka jingtei barok kwai kanam long ka basngain ada ngimyo jaka na ka kul India kham tam haba ka ka West Stand ka dei ka badan kam ban snano mardor ong u Conrad haba kran shakilat thai ka bor ha ka khat nyotrik kala lingkan ula batai baka Conrad jong West Stand kala klem dangshen bat ka sarkar jila kala manghadu sabusan klur tingka nakabenta bantay biang yaka ka shithi jong ka DDMA shaka kul India kalong ban kerpat ban ajaka nakabenta ban penyari ka West Stand bat ban shnaya ka surak shakishnong gi ba marjan u Conrad ula kintu ya ka nikakot khubor baka day ban dawat baniya bha hashwa ban penimi ya ki khubor nga kintui kilat pathai khubor baha ka jaka ban shukmen halor ki khattu kani khubor ban yo penmi khubor khlem dawat baniya bha kani kan mon ra tang ya ka jing artatin ban shani ha ka nikakot khubor ula ong
So there was an article in one of the newspapers that said that DDMA, this is Disaster Management Authority, the district, has declared PA Sangma Stadium as unsafe. This particular statement that came out in one of the newspapers is completely incorrect and completely misinterpreted. And again, I urge the press fraternity to please do their research properly before coming out with such statements which completely mislead the people. The fact of the matter is very simple, that as you're aware, the PA Sangma Stadium had three corners which were part of the, for the football stadium, which were part of the initial first phase of construction. The West Stand was a stand where earlier the construction had taken place before we started the project, and there was a retaining wall there that was present out there. If you remember, that retaining wall collapsed. Again, this was partly done long time back. This was not part of the PA Sangma Stadium's new project construction. Hence, once the retaining wall fell, we then decided to take it up under the state government. So about 45 crores has been sanctioned for it. We have gone ahead with the tendering and work has been allotted and work will start soon. Now in that whole process, we do require some land from the Coal India, because Coal India is right behind it, where BSF is there right now. That property is required, some part of the property is required because we need to extend the West Stand. At the same time, we need a road also that will lead to some of the localities that are staying below. Hundreds of houses are there. So keeping all of that in mind, we need that extra space. And therefore, the DDMA had written to Coal India saying that kindly give that space because this entire structure is unsafe from the point of view that if we continue like this, for Coal India point of view and other point of view, that West Stand area needs to be constructed immediately. So it's a letter that is directed to Coal India to give them the seriousness of why we need the land from them. It is not a statement that is talking about the unsafety of the whole stadium and the construction as a whole, but from a specific point of view of allowing Coal India to give that space for the construction so that we can do the West Stand. So therefore it's been completely misinterpreted, and I thought it's appropriate that we clarify that, and we will send a statement also from the sports department. But more importantly, I urge our press fraternity that rather than just be very excited about some news and just giving out news without doing proper research, it only brings doubt and brings down the credibility of the agency themselves.